Police cars of 30 European countries. Italy police car. Italy's police car forces are divided into specialized branches, including the Polizia di Stato, civil police, and Carabinieri, military police, ensuring public order and safety. Additional units like the Guardia di Finanza, financial crimes, work together to uphold Italy's security and law enforcement. England police car. The UK police car force comprises regional constabularies like the Metropolitan Police in London and specialised units such as the National Crime Agency. Together, they handle public safety, crime prevention, and counter-terrorism, ensuring law enforcement and community protection across the UK. Austria police car. Austria's police car, under the Federal Ministry of the Interior, includes units like the Bundespolizei, federal police, responsible for general law enforcement and public security. Specialized divisions address criminal investigations, border control, and counter-terrorism, maintaining safety across Austria. Switzerland police car. Switzerland's police car operate at federal and cantonal levels, with the federal police, Fedpol, handling serious crimes, counter-terrorism, and national security. Cantonal police manage local law enforcement, ensuring public safety and order in their regions, collaborating closely for nationwide security. Norway police car. Norway's police vehicles are marked for visibility and equipped for various terrains, ensuring rapid response across urban and rural areas. Managed by the Norwegian police service, these cars support public safety, emergency response, and law enforcement, contributing to Norway's high standards of security and trust. Russia police car. Russia's police car force, under the Ministry of Internal Affairs, MVD, includes various specialized units like the Polizia for general law enforcement and OMON for riot control. These branches work together to ensure public safety, combat crime, and maintain order across the vast regions of Russia. Romania police car. Romania's police car, overseen by the Ministry of Internal Affairs, includes specialized units such as the Romanian police, Poliția Română, for general law enforcement, and the Gendarmerie, Jandarmeria, for public order and emergency situations. Together, they ensure safety, fight crime, and maintain order across the country. Latvia police car. Latvia's police car, led by the state police under the Ministry of Interior, is responsible for public safety, crime prevention, and law enforcement. Specialized units address areas like organized crime and cybercrime, working together to maintain security and order throughout Latvia's cities and rural regions. Portugal Police Car. Portugal's police car force is divided into two main branches, the Public Security Police, PSP, for urban law enforcement and the National Republican Guard, GNR, for rural areas and national security. Together, they ensure public order, fight crime, and maintain safety across the country. Ireland Police Car. Ireland's police car force is responsible for maintaining public safety and law enforcement nationwide. It operates under the Ministry of Justice, with officers handling everything from crime prevention and traffic control to counter-terrorism, ensuring security and order across the country. Czech Republic Police Car. The Czech Republic's police car force, led by the Czech police, is responsible for ensuring public safety and law enforcement across the country. It includes specialized units such as the criminal police and the riot police, working to combat crime, maintain order, and respond to emergencies efficiently. Germany Police Car. Germany's police car force consists of federal and state units. The federal police, Bundespolizei, handles national security, border control, and counter-terrorism, while state police forces manage local law enforcement. Together, they work to ensure public safety, crime prevention, and maintain order across the country. Serbia Police Car. Serbia's police car force, under the Ministry of the Interior, is responsible for maintaining public safety and law enforcement. It includes various specialized units such as the criminal police, traffic police, and gendarmerie, all working together to combat crime, ensure order, and protect citizens across the country. Denmark Police Car. Denmark's police car force, known as the Danish National Police, is responsible for law enforcement, public safety, and crime prevention across the country. It includes specialized units like the Crime Prevention and National Special Operations, working together to ensure security, tackle crime, and maintain public order. Poland Police Car. Poland's police car force, under the Ministry of the Interior and Administration, ensures public safety in law enforcement. The force includes specialized units such as the criminal police, traffic police, and anti-terrorism unit, working together to maintain order, prevent crime, and protect citizens across the country. Slovakia Police Car. Slovakia's police car force, under the Ministry of the Interior, is responsible for maintaining public order, crime prevention, and law enforcement. It includes specialized units like the criminal police, traffic police, and riot police, working together to ensure safety and security across the country. Greece Police Car. Greece's police car force, under the Ministry of Citizen Protection, includes the Hellenic Police, responsible for general law enforcement, crime prevention, and maintaining public order. Specialized units such as the Anti-Terrorism Unit and Traffic Police work together to ensure safety and combat crime across the country. Croatia Police Car. Croatia's police car force, under the Ministry of the Interior, is responsible for ensuring public safety and law enforcement. It includes specialized units like the criminal police, traffic police, and special police, working together to prevent crime, maintain order, and protect citizens across the country. Finland Police Car. Finland's police car force, under the Ministry of the Interior, ensures public safety and law enforcement across the country. The Finnish police include specialized units like the National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, traffic police, and SWAT teams, working together to prevent crime and maintain order in urban and rural areas. Litva Police Car. Lithuania's police car force, under the Ministry of the Interior, is responsible for maintaining public safety and enforcing the law. The Lithuanian police includes specialized units such as the criminal police, traffic police, and special operations, working together to prevent crime and ensure order throughout the country. Hungary Police Car. Hungary's police car force, under the Ministry of Hungary's Interior, is responsible for maintaining public order, preventing crime, and ensuring safety. The Hungarian police includes specialized units like the criminal police, traffic police, and riot police, working together to uphold law and order across the country. Ukraine Police Car. Ukraine's police car force, overseen by the Ministry of Internal Affairs, includes units like the National Police, Patrol Police, and Special Task Forces. Together, they work to ensure public safety, enforce laws, and maintain order, playing a key role in national security across Ukraine. Bulgaria Police Car. Bulgaria's police car, managed by the Ministry of the Interior, is responsible for public safety and law enforcement. Key units include the criminal police, traffic police, and gendarmerie, all working together to prevent crime, maintain order, and protect citizens throughout the country. France Police Car. Police Car Force is divided into two main branches: the National Police, Police Nationale, responsible for urban areas, and the Gendarmerie, which handles rural regions and military tasks. Both work together to ensure public safety, combat crime, and maintain law and order across the country. Belgian Police Car. Belgium's police car force is divided into two main components: the Federal Police, responsible for national security and special operations, and local police forces, handling regional law enforcement. Together, they work to ensure public safety, prevent crime, and maintain order across the country. Sweden Police Car. Sweden's police car, under the Swedish Police Authority, is responsible for law enforcement and public safety across the nation. It includes specialized units such as the National Operations Department for Serious Crime and Counterterrorism, all working together to maintain order and protect citizens. Spain Police Car. Spain's police car force has multiple branches: the National Police, Policia Nacional, for urban areas, the Civil Guard, Guardia Civil, for rural regions and national security, and local police for municipalities. Together, they ensure public safety, combat crime, and maintain order across Spain. Iceland Police Car. Iceland's police car, under the National Commissioner, is responsible for law enforcement, public safety, and crime prevention across the country. With no military, the Icelandic police handle various duties, including emergency response and specialized units for investigations, ensuring security and maintaining order nationwide. Belarus Police Car. Belarus's police car force, under the Ministry of Internal Affairs, is tasked with maintaining public order, enforcing laws, and ensuring national security. Key units include the Criminal Police, Traffic Police, and OMON, Special Forces for Crowd Control, all working together to safeguard citizens and uphold stability. Netherlands Police Car. The Netherlands Police Car Force, under the Ministry of Justice and Security, operates nationally with regional units. Key divisions include the National Crime Squad and Traffic Police, working together to ensure public safety, enforce laws, and maintain order across urban and rural areas.